guys, we are gonna try to get our neighbors' attention.
Here we go. Our dogs might bark, so beware.
I'm nervous. Okay.
Charlie.
Okay. See, one of them's down there. We have another one that. Okay, Drew. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Jesse's right there. Ready?
Okay. Okay, no more. Okay, stop. No more. No more. Okay. I don't see their attention. See, well, we couldn't get their attention. Come back for more, please, for subs. Because maybe one day we'll actually.
We just need one subscriber
we'll
for the plague, just for the plague.
Maybe we'll do a meet and greet. You never know. If we get that famous, then we'll do a meet and greet like other YouTubers do.
Yes!